Hello guys, good morning. So today in this time we're gonna be replacing this shower bulb. This one, the outer part broke over here, and they don't wanna, because it has a little handle to regulate the temperature, so they don't wanna have that one anymore. So I'll be replacing this bulb. And in order to do that, we're gonna be opening right here on the back. So we have a little cabinet here in the back, and looks like it's pretty much the same height as this one. So we're gonna be removing this shelf, and hopefully that will give us access to the back of the bulb. Looks like there's a hole already. I can see how I'm gonna be able to go over here. So I may need to cut this firewall. I'm using my little hacksaw to cut it, and we're gonna see what we have here and see if we're gonna be able to let's put this one down here. Oh shit, looks like it's all the way to ouch, to that side over there. Okay, so we're going to remove this board and this other one over here to get access to the to those pipes. So we got this board over here that looks like it's well, this one over here is cut already, but looks like it has some screws from the other side, and I'm gonna see if I can remove them from here. Oh yeah, I can see it. Couple of screws in the back, and you guys can see it. Oh, there's one there, one drywall screw, and there's another one on this side, but it's covered with a spider web. So I removed 3 screws, and it looks like it looks like there's one more. Pop it out. Oh, so it looks look what we have here. We have some unions. Shoot, I think I'm gonna reuse them. Yeah, I'm gonna reuse those ones. I'm gonna reuse the one, the downspout, and I'm just gonna solder over here on the top, and yeah, hopefully it will work okay. So let me open the new bulb, and hopefully it's the same size. Yeah, so this is the new bulb. This is the body from there, the new one. And see, from here looks like it's gonna be pretty much the same thing. Yeah, so we're gonna be using those unions, and we're gonna be using the bottom one too. So I just cut it over here on the top. Now I'm just unscrewing this one from the bottom. So I have this one ready. I put Teflon tape. Oops, I got it over here. Teflon tape, and I'm gonna do the. I'm gonna put some Teflon paste over here on this. On this female connector, just to make sure that we're safe. Yeah, then we're gonna put the shower body over here on the bottom one. Yeah, now we're gonna be installing this one, this cartridge in the body. We just need to remove this one, and right here on the sides it should be a letter. Oh, this one over here, it says hot, so that's gonna be on the left hand side. So let's just go in like that. See these little arrows over here? We need to push them all the way in. So the last one is gonna be this pipe for the shower head. So I'm gonna cut this one a little bit because it was long. And then I'm gonna put a coupling. This one has no strap, so it can go up and then down. Okay, so we're gonna be welding now. put the trim in the front so we can open the water. So we put first this gasket, so that will hold this cover, and then we're gonna put the big plate outside. Which is this one. We clean after we put it with a razor blade. We're gonna screw these ones and just take a little bit more, and then we're gonna, I still need to secure it from the back, so I'll give the another one later. So this little piece is like an extender, so if this handle is if this handle sticks out too much, like in this case, because you can see the gray part, so we're gonna put that little spacer in between this one. So what we do here, we just remove this one and we just put this one over here, so that will give us more that will pushes out this one more, and it will be yeah, now you'll be able to see the gray part. So we're just gonna put this little screw, and that one's gonna go over here on the handle bottom. We're gonna put this bracket to support the parts over here. So let me see, I think that they're gonna be like this. Oh, no, they're gonna be like this. Sorry, yeah. Actually, you know what? Let me see if I have some straps. Yeah, because they're close to the studs, and maybe I can just screw it over there, and that will be easier. So this is how it looks right now. We're gonna leave that shower head the same because it has the hose, but this one's working now. This one is good now, and also in the back we put a coat of tape, and we're gonna keep doing one like that, or we can come back later to do another coat. Yeah, so this is pretty much for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, thanks very much.